That's what makes the holidays so special.
Whether you're far apart
Or making new traditions.
or visiting with old friends,
Wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas. It's in the singing of the street corner choir.
it's going home and getting warm by the fire.
It's true wherever you find love, it feels like Christmas.
A cup of kindness that we share with another.
A sweet reunion with a friend or a brother.
In all the places you find love, it feels like Christmas.
It is the season of the heart, a special time of caring, the ways of love made real.